Hi everyone, Stephen Mayo, Director of Training for New Tech here, and today we're going to talk a little bit about updating the runtime firmware on Savant hosts. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that the host is on the network, and once we open up System Monitor, we can see a little bit of information on that host. We can see mine's already been configured, otherwise the system name would say unconfigured host. And we can see the version of the runtime that it's currently running. In my case, I'm running 9.4 beta. So today, I'm actually going to roll back the firmware for the purposes of this demonstration. So the first thing we want to do after we have that information is open up our Savant Application Manager and make sure that this box is checked. This show release is not installed on this computer. If that's not checked, when we go to download the runtime, it won't allow us to. It won't even show up as an option. So once that's happened, and we're going to see a complete list of available pieces of Blueprint software, we're going to select our version of our runtime that we want to program in. In this case, the latest public release is 9.3.4, and we're going to go ahead and right-click that. We're going to go all the way down here, and we're going to select the appropriate runtime installer for the host that we have on this system. In this case, I'm using an S2 host, so I'll choose that, and I'll download that runtime. This will take just a little bit of time, depending on your internet connection. But while we wait for that to download, we'll talk a little bit about why we might either update or in some cases roll back our runtime software. And basically that's either a new installation that the host has shipped with an older version of software than we want to program in, or we may be upgrading a customer's existing system to give them new features or functions on their existing Savant system. So, for example, with 9.4, we're going to see ring integration and a new version of the Savant music. So lots of good reasons to be able to call your customers, offer them new services that isn't really going to cost them much other than your trip out to their home. So once this finishes downloading, it's going to automatically put it into this other packages folder. Go ahead and leave it there. And the reason is when we now go into System Monitor, we select our host and we click Upgrade, it's going to automatically, when we choose the package, navigate to that other packages folder. It's also going to only allow us to select runtime updaters that are compatible with the host we've selected in System Monitor. So once we choose that, we've got pre-filled in the name RPM and the password RPM, which is going to be the standard for any new in the box host. Mine is a little different, so I'm going to go ahead and type that in and click install. So this is going to take it through, it's going to extract it and install it, and it's going to take a good 3 to 5 minutes. So go get a cup of coffee and get on with your day. I hope that was helpful. If you have any further questions, contact your New Tech Group representative or reach out to me directly. Thanks and have a great day.